Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Mariposa Homeschool. In today's video, we are going to do a homeschool tour. So our homeschool room is actually in the smallest room in our home, and it does also double as my daughter's clothing storage and her toy storage. So this is the first wall that we come to in the schoolroom. It just has a little bit of artwork that my kids have drawn. We got this picture from Marshall's. And then my daughter's stuffed animals and toys are here since this doubles as our toy room. On this wall, we just have some shelves. These are actually lights, and then there's little clips on there to hang the ABCs. We have a calendar here, our whiteboard, and then we use these posters every day for calendar time. So a little bit further down this wall, we have our globe. There is a calendar up there as well. We keep all of our dry erase markers here and our salt lamp. This is papers I have to take to our co-op this week. On this shelf, here are my kids' art boxes with their pencils and crayons and glue. And then there's like magnets in this one. These are manipulatives and cubes, like a calendar. My son's math block items are in the blue one there. Then on the next shelf down, these are all library books. My laminator. This is an empty bin. I don't have anything to go in there. And then this one is pretty much this is like my daughter's shelf. We have a lot of these Melissa and Doug like water wow things where you use this pen, you just put water in it, and then she can color and the images show up. So we have tons of these because she loves to do these. She's got so many different ones. Our local Once Upon a Child sells these, and they sell tons of different ones, so that's where I get these from. Some of her Play-Doh and her dot markers. And then these are all my daughter's flashcards. There's letters, colors. These are ones that I printed and laminated for her to trace. Some of her dry erase books. This is empty. And then we play like little roll the dice games with these. And then this is her curriculum down here. I moved it because it's easier for me to grab. So this is her playing preschool binder. And then this is just her preschool binder. I have some stuff like little printouts that I printed for her that go in there. And then this is her handwriting book. And then one of her little games is here, her Disney Princess pop-up game. It's kind of like Trouble, but it's Disney Princess. And I bought this shelf, I believe it was from Target, and it couldn't have been more than like $30, but we love it. It fits great in here. I wanted something small. Okay, so if I back up or zoom out a little, here we go. This is our biggest bookshelf that we have in the schoolroom, and on the top we have one of these. It doesn't spin, but there's a lot of different compartments. We just keep pencils, rulers. These are bookmarks I printed and laminated, note cards, glue, more dry erase markers. This is like a little cube I had gotten from the Dollar Tree, but my baby got a hold of it when she was little. I keep stapler, hole puncher, and then in this bin, I'm gonna get it down, we keep more flashcards from my son. So here are our character matters cards. We have big flashcards, like the really big ones that won't fit in the other bin. His multiplication. We have landmarks, some Bible trivia. These are like little rocks. I think these are just little numbers we had gotten from when we were doing, what was it called? Master Books Math. These are right brain flashcards from Master Books. We've got some Korean flashcards because my son was learning Korean. So that's all in this bin. This is my bin, and I have random stuff like laminating pouches. These are like clear dividers, my kids' portfolios, and like important paperwork and stuff. So this is my bin. Then we just have books down here. So we've got a bunch of our books that we read. Some of this is old curriculum or curriculum we've never gotten to. Like this is old. We did this last year. It's not old, but we used it already. Next is my son's shelf. These are, of course, not all of his books, but these are some of his books. He loves Goosebumps. He's been really into Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Star Wars, Avatar, stuff like that. Is what's here. And then on this bottom shelf is for my daughter. So you're going to see a lot of preschool, early books. This, of course, is not all of her books either. There's a ton more in her room. Our table in the middle here, my husband got this from his job. It's just like one of those card tables that folds down. It's in the middle of the room so my kids can see the board. They sit next to each other. Usually my son here, my daughter here. That's my water bottle with stickers on it. But we just have chairs from our kitchen, and when we need them in the kitchen, we'll just take them in there. When we need them in here, we'll just bring them back in here. And here's our kitten, always getting into stuff. On the other side of the room, we have my daughter's closet, or our schoolroom closet. My daughter's clothes are actually in here too, but we use the outside of the closet as our word wall for our science units. This is like a squirt gun paint art my daughter did. My son also has one in his room. These are just some family pictures. Here's our Fun Friday ideas. And then we have our cart. So for a long time, I was only working out of curriculum for here, but since my daughter has more, we added playing preschool. I needed more space. So some of her stuff is here. Some of it is on the smaller shelf that you saw. But this is all of my son's curriculum that we are currently using, that we pull from every single day. Then he has a clipboard and a dry erase board up here. His Bible. We have Bible verse cards. And then these are his current math facts and his grammar and geography cards that he's currently learning. Just a little pouch for, these are mostly my daughter's twistable crayons and colored pencils. This was my daughter's section, but most of her curriculum's on the other side. We have a cutting and pasting pad, her Bible, her folder activities from The Good and the Beautiful, and then there's just another workbook we haven't even started yet. On the bottom, today we just threw this down here, but these are her practice sheets and her actual book from Her Good and the Beautiful Preschool is here. And then some of her other, like most of her coloring books are down here as well. And then she has a dry erase board as well down there. So this is my desk. I sit right next to our window. Just have my computer. This is a really old desk. As you can tell, I think this is like, I think we might have had this in, I don't know if this is Gabriel's first desk, maybe like for 5 years now, but this is old. We probably need a new one. My laptop, my Post-its, my coffee warmer. Our printer is here. These are just some disinfecting wipes I was cleaning earlier. In my drawer, I've got all kind of stuff. My date stamp, stickers, my pointer. Then down here we have printer paper and our electric pencil sharpener that we usually don't use in my laptop bag. And that's it. In the closet here, we have some storage for books up there. This is our arts and crafts storage, and that's like a little arts and crafts bin. My daughter can do like painting and stuff so she doesn't make a mess. These are old puzzles that she doesn't use. So a blanket and like some travel stuff up there, and then her clothes are in here. Thank you again for watching today's video. It was just more fun and to give those who need ideas about what items to keep in your homeschool room, or to give you inspiration if you needed some ideas and you're just starting out a homeschool room for the first time, just to give you some ideas. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we hope to see you in the next one. Bye!